Hello Chalkers, I'm David Schoonmaker, the founder of Chalkin Social, and yes, this is real hair and it is not connected to my Chalkin Social hat. So let's get into this. I wanted to share what Chalkin Social is all about. Chalkin Social is essentially an icebreaker for some. It's a conversation starter for others. It's now been proven to help with some communication challenges like nonverbal autism. It's been proven in classrooms to assist teachers with a more creative curriculum. And it's even been proven in oncology practices to just spread joy and hope in those offices during such challenging times. Chalkin Social is about socializing face-to-face or expressing yourself face-to-face to somebody else. It's a powerful thing, and nothing monumental in life happens via text. Everything happens face-to-face, from a job interview to a marriage proposal, talking with your parents, talking with your teacher. So if I was to text you right now this message, which would you see first? Chalkin Social.